Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack fuel monitoring system on Tata Hitachi and JCB Poclain Excavator. So this is JCB Earth Excavator or Poclain, and we will install Speedotrack unique fuel monitoring system which will measure the diesel of the tank in real time, and it will tell the filling, consumption and theft with the location, date and time. And our solution offers 99.5% fuel accuracy, which is one of the best devices available in the market with such a high accuracy of 99.5%. So this is JCB Excavator or Poclain. Now we will see the installation process. So for the installation, you have to drill 36 round drill for the installation of capacitive fuel sensor. So this is a Speedotrack capacitive fuel sensor. We are drilling a round hole with 36 of size. And we are drilling via battery operated drilling machine with internal battery. Now we have measured the depth of the tank and we have cut the sensor according to the tank depth. So now we have to calibrate the sensor. So this is Speedotrack fuel sensor calibration tool. The fuel sensor is empty now and we have to press the empty button and wait for the success. So this is Speedotrack fuel calibrator for sensor. So empty is calibrated. Now we will fill the sensor with diesel. So it is full now, and now we will press the full button. So this is the full button. We have to wait for the success. Okay, so now the newly cut sensor with the new size is calibrated for the installation. So for that we have to empty the fuel tank of the vehicle to the another tank. So we are using Speedotrack DC pump, 12 volt DC pump for draining the diesel tank of the vehicle to another tank. So it will take 5 minutes for draining the tank completely to another tank. So the process of emptying the tank is still going on. It will take few more minutes. And this is a 315 liters tank, 315 liters. So for the calibration, we have to make a calibration table. On the left hand side, we have to write the liters. It is 5, 10, 15 in the increment of 5 liters, and then the value table. So after pouring each 5 liters of fuel, we have to take the reading. So now the tank is empty. We will connect the filter of the sensor, insert the gasket and apply some silicone so that water doesn't go inside the fuel tank. And after that we have to tighten this nut. Now we have to add one connector wire to the sensor for extending it and taking the wire towards the operator dashboard. And inside the wire there are 3 wires, red color for the positive, black color for the negative, and yellow color is for the data line which will be sent to the device. So this is Speedotrack unique fuel monitoring terminal device, GPS antenna and GSM antenna. So now we have extended the fuel sensor wire towards the cabin. Now we will connect the device. So here we will check the ignition wire, the power wire for the continuing power line, and the negative wire. So here we are getting 24 volts. So now the wiring is ready. We have inserted the SIM card inside the device. So the power wire of the device, red wire, and the power of the sensor is connected to the continuing power line of the battery. Yellow wire was the ignition wire, so connected to the ignition wire, and this yellow wire from the sensor is the data line wire, which is connected to the purple wire of the device. So now the device wiring is complete. Now we'll start the calibration process, the tank calibration process. For that, we have to pour 5 liters of fuel in the vehicle tank and take the reading. So you have to take 5-liter measuring container and then transfer it to the vehicle tank. So you can see 5 liters the value was 225, 10 liters 390, 15 liters 540. So for every 5 liter you will get some changes in the value. For getting the latest value or the current value, you have to enter the command get fuel. You have to send SMS to the device, get fuel. You will get the fuel value. So similarly, you can see there are changes in the value after every 5 liters of fuel filling. So you have to make a chart. So this is the chart we have prepared. The final value was 315 liters, 8737 was the